Wow, that's interesting.
Hi everyone, this is it. The cheapest Balisong on Amazon. I believe AliExpress too because you need at least $10 for free shipping. Is it any good? Uh, let's come back to that. Been trying to work on my aerials. Oops. And behind the 8-ball. So, it's all steel, so it's kind of heavy. We'll weigh it in a minute. It's got rivets, so there's no tuning, and the tolerances are terrible. Yeah, there's lots of play. It's very sloppy. It has washers, but yeah, for under $4. But you know what? I like it. Besides being cheap, there's another reason why I picked this up. It looks a lot and feels a lot like the Balisong I used back in the 80s and 90s. So let me show you. Again, here's the new knife. And what caught my eye is it looks very similar to this one. My knife from back in the day. They pretty much are identical except for the blade. And if I had this one back in the 80s, I'd probably know a lot more tricks because I wouldn't have been afraid to try them. Because, yeah, this can draw blood. Let's see how much they weigh. I'm kind of curious.
Here's the Amazon knife. And the old knife. That's what I thought. They're pretty close.
Oops. So would I recommend this knife? Actually, I would. I'm sure it's different from the modern Balisongs that are being made right now. But again, I like this one. I'm still looking. There's other Balisongs that I want to get, but you can learn stuff on this, even though I am not showing it off very well. So, oops. A few videos ago, I did show you this one. I think the most popular Balisong on Amazon. I like this one better. This one, the edges are kind of sharp, so when you're trying to do tricks, I mean, it's scraping your fingers and you can feel it. This one, the edges are nice and smooth, so this one's more comfortable. Oops. So, yeah, again, I like it. But, still on the hunt for a more modern Balisong. So, thanks for watching.